Today, we have a first look at a super exciting new restaurant. Brand new here in Dubai, we are trying out Relais de l'Entrecôte, the restaurant famous on Instagram and TikTok for its queues around the block in Paris. On the menu, there is one dish and one dish only, and that is steak frite, cooked exactly the way you like it. Comes with crispy golden fries and a famous green sauce with a top secret recipe that, try as I might, I have not been given the recipe for. You get a green salad on the side and a few slices of bread to mop up that sauce. And then there is a menu of about 25 desserts that you can indulge in after. So, let's give it a try. This looks incredible. We've got the steak, which has been cooked rare, which is how I like it. Trying the sauce, it is super light and herby, but definitely a bit indulgent and kind of buttery. Incredible. This definitely lives up to the hype. These are easily some of the crispiest fries I've had in a long time. And I am not just saying that because I've got an audience. Maybe you can hear the right, like a proper crunch. So good with the famous green sauce. I think we're gonna see some queues here in Dubai.